Okay, so we have just seen how to calculate the earthwork. For the long wall, it was found to be 15.264 meter, whereas for short wall, it was found to be 8.568 meter. In that, we have to just calculate the total. The total will be how much? It will be 24.192 cubic meter. How much it will be? 24.192 cubic meter. So this quantity is in now cubic meter. But at the site, what happens is the problem is they are already always asking it in brass. So how to convert it? Just divide this cubic meter by 2.83. What you have to do? You have to just divide this quantity in cubic meter by 2.83. So how much it will be? I will just show you. It will be how much? See here. 24.192 divided by 2.83. It will be 8.54 brass. How much it will be? 8.54 brass. Why I am telling you this? Now this metric scale is very good. There is no problem in it. But actually working on the site, normally this brass, feet and inches, these things are taken into the consideration. And not only this, while making the payment to any type of the workers or any type of the contractors, that are the subcontractors like say mason, okay, all these things at that time we have to work out all this in brass. So for that purpose you have to just divide to convert the quantity in cubic meter to brass by 2.83. You will directly get it in the brass. Now the second item which we are going to see is cement concrete for the bed. Okay, it is cement concrete for the bed in foundation. That means below, the first thing after the excavation, the first thing which we are going to do is we have to lay this foundation bed. What we have to do is we have to lay just the foundation bed of 0.3 meter thickness. That means the depth of the, suppose this is the depth of PCC bed and it is 0.3 meter. Okay. Now, again what we have to do is, we have to first of all find center to center distances of the long wall as well as short wall. Here, see, I will again write long wall is AB equals to CD. Okay. The numbers will be 2. No doubt the numbers will be again 2. Now this 6.2, how to calculate? Now the width of excavation is normally equal to the width of the CC, that is plain cement concrete. Sometimes it is called as cement concrete. Normally it should be called actually as PCC. Instead of calling CC, you have to normally call it as PCC. It will be more descriptive. Okay, so plain cement concrete of the mix 148 as a foundation bed, its depth is 0.3 meter, and there are two number of walls, long walls, and this width is common. So the length of excavation of the long wall as well as the short wall remains constant. आता बघा आपण काय करणार आहोत, प्लेन सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट बद्दलची थोडी ही चर्चा करणार आहोत. कसं फाइंड आउट करायचं? प्लेन सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट कसं असतंय, अगदी सुरुवातीला ज्यावेळेस आपण खोदकाम करतो, खोदकाम केल्यानंतर जे पहिल्यांदा खाली विड्थ असेल, विड्थ ऑफ एक्सकेव्हेशन जे असेल तेवढीच विड्थ असते आपल्या कशाची, पीसीसीची. म्हणजे 0.9 मीटर हा जो आहे हा आपला कॉमन होतो. बघा इथं दोन्हीकडे पण 0.9 आहे, इथं पण आपला असेल तो 0.9च असेल. त्याबद्दल काही दुमत आपलं नसणार आहे. तर पुढे काय करायचं, प्लेन सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट आहे, 1:4:8 आहे. फाउंडेशन मध्ये हे पण दोन भिंती आहेत, दोन नग आहेत. इथं बघा AB इक्वल टू CD आहे म्हणून आपण इथं 2 घेतलं. आता विड्थ सेम असल्यामुळं लेंथ ऑफ लॉंग वॉल आणि लेंथ ऑफ शॉर्ट वॉल बदलणार नाही. लक्षात घ्या, विड्थ आपलं कॉन्स्टंट असल्यामुळं length of long wall and the length of short wall will always remain constant. How much those are? 6.2 meter and 3.4 meter. 6.2 meter and 3.4 meter. So 6.2 meter will be the length of long wall, 0.9 meter will be the width or breadth of long wall, and this 0.3 meter we have to just see it in the section of the diagram. Okay, that means the section, we have to refer the section of our plan. Once we see the section, from that we are able to calculate the depth. It is 0.3 meter. So 2 into 6.2 into 0.9 into 0.3 will give you 3.348 meter cube. In this manner, we have to calculate the quantity of cement concrete for the long wall. Okay, now what about the short wall? Again, same thing. What you have to do here is you have to write short wall AC equals to BD. AC equal to BD. Okay. Again, two numbers are there. AC is the one wall, BD is the second wall, and 2 are the number of walls. We have to just again find out here 3.4 for the excavation remains constant for PCC. That is again 3.4. The width remains same 0.9 and the depth also remains same, that is 0.3. So 2 into 3.4 into 0.9 into 0.3 will give us 1.836 cubic meter of PCC for short wall. Okay, 4.3 meter minus 0.9 meter. That is the single width of item. One width of item we have to deduct to get the length of short wall. So 4.3 meter minus 0.9 will give you 3.4 meters the length of the short wall. The width of the short wall or the breadth of the short wall is no doubt 0.9 meter, and the depth of this PCC bed is 0.3 meter, that is near about 1 feet, and then we just multiply this, we'll get the quantity as 1.836. Okay, so to get the total quantity of short wall as well as long wall, so to just go on adding this, it will be 5.184 cubic meter. How much it will be? 5.184 cubic meter. Okay, now just try to note down these things. When I am telling you, you have to just prepare a measurement sheet, write these items and try to solve it. What will happen due to this? When I am speaking, I am giving you some time. In that given time, you can actually use the calculators also. Because of that, what I am doing is, I am first of all explaining in English as well as I am explaining in Marathi, so that you can get the time. So to prepare this measurement sheet, as well as you have to refer this room, just prepare a plan of 5 by 4 meter. Okay, the width of the brickwork is 0.3 meter and the width of the foundation is 0.45 meter. Okay, in this manner we can very easily understand to calculate the quantity of items. So the second item we have completed. Now we'll go for the rubble masonry, RR masonry in cement mortar 1:6. हे बघा आता आपलं दुसरा आयटम आपण बघितलेला आहे. या दुसऱ्या आयटम मध्ये काय आहे आपलं प्लेन सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट आहे. प्लेन सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीटचा जो विड्थ असतो सेम असतो तो आपल्या वरच्या एक्सकेव्हेशनचा, फक्त त्याची जाडी बदलते. आपलं विड्थ ऑफ एक्सकेव्हेशन कसं जमिनीपासून जेवढं आपण खाली खोदकाम करणार आहोत ते आपलं विड्थ आलं होतं, सॉरी डेप्थ आलं होतं. आता इथं मात्र आपलं 0.3 मीटर हे फिक्स आपल्याला सांगितलं आहे, साधारण 1 फूट येतं. 1 फुटाचं आपल्याला सांगितलेलं आहे. मग बघा इथं आपण काय केलं, फाउंडेशनसाठी त्यांनी जे लिहिलेलं आहे ते दिलेलं. त्यानंतर लॉंग वॉल आपण घेतलं. लॉंग वॉल कुठले आहेत? ए बी आणि सी डी आहे. लॉंग वॉल कोणते कोणते आहेत? ए बी आणखीन सी डी. ए बी एक भिंत झालं आणि सी डी हा दुसरा भिंत झाला, म्हणजे हे असे 2 भिंत आले. ओके, जेवढं लॉंग वॉलचं लेंथ होतं एक्सकेव्हेशनसाठी तेवढंच लॉंग वॉलचं लेंथ आता इथं देखील असणार आहे, कारण त्यांचं विड्थ ऑफ आयटम कॉमन आहे, दॅट इज 0.9 मीटर. हे कॉमन असल्या कारणानं आपल्याला काय झालं इथं या पद्धतीने घ्यायला काय अडचण येत नाही. तर बघा 6.2 मीटर सेम राहील, 0.9 मीटर पण एक्सकेव्हेशन सारखं सेम राहील, फक्त इथं आपण डेप्थ बदललंय. डेप्थ आपलं एक्सकॅव्हेशनचं जास्त होतं, ते डेप्थ मात्र इथं आपलं 0.3 आपण कमी केलेलं आहे. कारण हे जो डेप्थ आहे 0.3 आपल्याला ऑलरेडी त्यांनी दिलेला आहे. तोच आपण सेक्शन मधला डेप्थ इथं रेफर करून इथं लिहून घ्यायचा. एकदा इथं लिहिलं 0.3, जस्ट हे 4 इंचचा गुणाकार करा, तुमचं 3.348 असं व्हॅल्यू येईल. त्याचप्रमाणे शॉर्ट वॉल पण कॅल्क्युलेट करा, 1.83 व्हॅल्यू येईल. या दोन्हींचं जर तुम्ही ऍडिशन केला तर इट विल बी 5.184 cubic meter. Now the next which we are going to see is, it is nothing but the rubble masonry in cement mortar 1:6. Here cement mortar they are going to use, where they are going to use first of all for the footing. Okay, what they have given is, they have given us the footing. So 1 stand for the value of cement, whereas 6 stand for the value of what we can say sand or crushed sand as per the specification. Okay, so instead of writing here basement and all this footing, in that we have to write it as UCR1. This will refer as UCR1, and the B will be UCR2. UCR2. In this manner, those 2 steps you have to take down. Where are these 2 steps? If we just go to the section of the problem, we are very easily understand this. Now see here. Now this is the step 1 of UCR and this is the step 2 of UCR. Now we'll say that why you're right from the beginning. If you understand, this is the first thing which you're going to do is, this is the PCC. Above that, this will be the UCR step 1 and this will be the UCR step 2. In this manner, we have to just go on calculating the values of different items. Now see here, this is the UCR masonry. So what about the step 1? Here again the long walls and the short walls. Now see here, while first of all again what we have to do is, we have to find out the length of the long wall and the length of the short wall. So how to find it out? It is also very easy. Initially we have calculated the center to center distances of AB equals to CD. AB equals to CD. Okay, these are the 2 walls. So see here, while solving or telling the procedure, I am also typing so that you can easily understand and you are having some time to just go through it and note down the things. Try to solve with me. Okay, while I am explaining, just take a rough notebook and try to write down these things. Afterwards, you will refer the notes, you will refer the books, okay, or the reference books. It will be very easy at that time. But now initially, try to understand this. So we have first of all calculated the center to center distances, which was found to be the center to center distance of AB and CD equals to how much it was, 0.3 by 2 plus 5 plus 0.3 by 2. So it was 5.3 meter. Here we have shown it as 5.3 meter. Now what about the width of the item? Here the width of the item, or if we just go through this, we have taken the width of item as, it is actually 0.6 meter. How much it is? It is 0.6 meter. Okay, so 5.3 meter plus 0.36, half from this side and half from this side. Okay, what we have, instead of writing half plus half, always try to write one width of item. It will be easier for you while calculation also, as well as it will be easier for you while writing it in the notebook, as well as remembering the same at the time of examinations. So in this way, we'll try to solve it. Okay, 5.3 plus 0.6, it will be 5.9 meter respectively. In the same way, you have to calculate it for the short walls. Which are the short walls? The short walls are AC equals to BD. AC equals to BD. These are also two number of walls. So initially we have calculated the center to center distances. The center to center distances were 0.3 by 2 plus 4 plus 0.3 by 2. It worked out to be, here it is 4.3 meter, and instead of writing 0.3 by plus 0.3, you have to always write in this manner: center to center distance minus 1 width of item. So the width of item here is 0.6 meter. Okay, so it will be how much? It will be 3.7 meter respectively. How much it is? It is 3.7 meter respectively. So we are able to calculate this long wall's length and short wall length. See here, what is happening? The length of the long wall is coming lesser. That is, from 6.2 meter, it dropped to 5.9 meter. Whereas the length of short wall is increasing. From 3.4 meter, it has now taken the value of 3.7 meter. In this way, just when we go on solving the problems, the length of the long wall may go on decreasing, whereas the length of the short wall may go on increasing. So while taking this thing into consideration, we can easily find out the procedure which we are following is correct or not, and it will help us to solve the problem in an accurate manner. Okay, so the length of long wall is 5.9 meter as we have calculated here. Next, the width is 0.6 obviously, and the height is, or the depth is 0.5 meter. Just multiply these four variables, the value will be 3.54 cubic meter. How much will be the value? It will be 3.54 cubic meter. Now what about the short wall? The short wall is the same, 3.7 meter will be the length of the short wall, 0.6 meter will be the width of the short wall, 0.5 meter will be the depth, and 2.22 meter will be the total quantity of the short wall step 1 of UCR step 1. Okay, then we have to just add the quantity of long wall and short wall. It will be 5.76 cubic meter. In the same manner, here the UCR step 2 is given, which is having the depth of 0.6 meter and the width is given as 0.45 meter. How much is the width? 0.45 meter. Then we will complete this UCR step 2 and we will stop here today. Okay, don't worry. So the long wall, well, again we have to calculate. Already we have calculated the center to center distances of AB equals to CD. AB equals to CD. Okay. Now here AB and CD, these are the two walls. So I have written here 2. Now we have to calculate the length of long wall and the length of the short wall. Again, for UCR step 2, the width is given as 0.45 meter. How much it is? 0.45 meter. So the center to center distance is 5.3 meter and the width of one item is 0.45 meter. It will be 5.74 meter. How much it will be? 5.75 meter. In the same way, we have to again calculate the length of the short wall. The length of the short wall is equal to again center to center distance minus one width of item. Here we have to just write, instead of writing twice, we'll write here 0.45. It will be 3.85 meter. So the short walls are AC equals to BD, AC equal to BD equal to two numbers are there. This AC is one wall, this BD is the second wall. So total will be two numbers. We have calculated the length of the short wall, that is 4.3 meter minus 0.45 meter. It is 3.85 meter respectively. So this is the 3.85 meter. You have to write the width as 0.45 and the depth of the work is 0.6 meter. In this way, initially we have to find out the quantity of long wall by multiplying 2 into 5.75 into 0.545 into 0.6. It will be 3.105 cubic meter. How much it will be? 3.105 cubic meter. And after that, you have to calculate the quantity of short wall. It will be 2 into 3.85 into 0.45 into the height is 0.6. It will be 2.079 cubic meter. Okay. Now the total will be 5.184 cubic meter. So the total UCR masonry, so the total UCR masonry will be the footing base point 1 and 2, UCR 1 and 2. We have to just go on adding this. To make this thing simple, I am just deducting these things. It is not necessary. Just go on adding these things. So for footing, okay. Remove it from here. You may get confused. For that purpose, I have just taken out. So this 5.76 plus 5.184 here, 5.184 5. Here we will write 184. So it will be how much? 10.94 cubic meter. How much it will be? 10.94 cubic meter. In this manner, you have to find out the masonry for the step 1 and step 2. इथं बघा, step 1 खालचा जरा मोठा असतो, step 2 त्यापेक्षा थोडासा छोटा असतो. हे जे दगडी बांधकाम असतात त्याचं जे क्वांटिटी फाइंड आउट करायची तिची ही पद्धत असेल. Thank you very much. We'll continue in the next lecture.